Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you 3 different new electronic gadgets under 300 rupees. All gadgets are LED and lighting related. My first gadget is a projector lamp. It is black but it is also available in different colors. The box looks colorful. Let's see if the product is also good or bad. Inside the box, here is the USB cable, the lamp, and the user guide. This lamp is made of plastic with a good glossy finish. I have to insert this power cable and I can use any phone charger or power bank. Otherwise, there are option to install 4 AA batteries. I am using a 1 ampere smartphone charger and you can see the light is glowing but not very bright. So I am turning my lights off. Using this switch you can change the light's color and there is a rotation on off function. You can see now it is moving. It looks very cool in the dark. It has another light projector function. Just remove this white cap and you can see the magic. The projected light is not very bright but it is visible in a dark room. You can use it as a night light. The next gadget is a camping light. Comes with a USB Type-C power cable. This light also looks very beautiful like an old retro bulb. There are USB Type-C charging ports and a power switch, all covered with waterproofing rubber. Inside the bulb we can see there are 2 LEDs and here is a hanging clip. You can charge it using a mobile charger and it indicates a red LED. When the charge is full, the LED turns green. By pressing the power button once, I can turn on this bulb, and by pressing the power button twice, I can control its brightness on 2 levels. It gives you a different warm light effect. Ideal for camping because it is waterproof. But I did not get a good battery backup with it. It gives a maximum of 2 hours of working after a single charge. The next product is a solar motion sensor light that can detect human movement and turn on automatically. There is nothing inside the box except the light and the user manual. This light also looks good. There is no option for charging. You have to put it in sunlight and it automatically turns on when it detects darkness. It is for outdoor use only. It has fully automatic charging for the internal battery and the light glows at night. Covering the solar panels shows you the glow of the light. There are 3 functions you can select using this switch. You can either use a motion sensor or a continuous glowing option. The light is not very bright but visible at short distance. It automatically turns on when a human comes near this light. The motion sensor works up to about 4 feet away. After testing its battery capacity, I found that it has a very poor quality battery. So I installed a 3.7 volt lithium battery from an old laptop. Now it is giving more backup and increased light brightness. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.